We have a gift loaded up. It's a Nordic Spa package for 2. Merry Christmas, Pop.
No way! Stop!
It's a tiny little bag that weighs not even a pound. Then we have this giant crane truck lifting up. We are driving it out. It's only 13 minutes away. Yeah, so we have a package for our winner. We have their gift. We're delivering it. It's a gift bag. It's a Nordic Spa package for 2. One of our customers won it at the open house. We have it strapped to the back of the truck right now. And we are driving it out. It's only 13 minutes away. And yeah, we're just gonna go deliver a gift for our winner. Maybe I'll like do it. No, this may be a little obnoxious. I was gonna say like, and if they're not coming out, just like I'll hop in the cabin, just like burr, burr, or something. No, wait. How is that present looking? It looks secure. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. It's a heavy load, but I think we're fine.
Paul said that Foothills Nursery is coming by today to drop something off, and I was like, oh, that's so cool. And I heard a very large truck outside.
We have a gift for you today. Ooh. We have it hooked up for you on the truck. Yeah, we got it strapped down. You know, yeah. It was a heavy load, so yeah.
They brought a big truck.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. No, awesome. the pickup truck couldn't handle it, so we brought this bad boy. So.
And then I started thinking to myself, did I order trees
and
forget to tell Paul about it? And then I saw him standing out there talking with you guys. I'm looking out the door thinking, oh my gosh, I did. I ordered trees, didn't tell Paul. Oh, I might be in trouble. I went on a little bit of a shopping spree.
Yeah, we're gonna unload this guy for you if that's okay.
Awesome,
yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. We're gonna use the crane today. We wanted to yeah, we'll crane it right through your front door. No. But it's the longest. This guy's so good for planting. If we have like really like if we have hard spots to get to, this is our crane. Yeah, yeah. There we go. Heavy load unloaded. There you go, Sir Paul. There, yeah, there you are. Merry Christmas, pups.
Can I open it now?
Come here.
No way! Stop! Really?
We won the.
No way! Really? You don't know how much we need a break after. I'm sorry, I was caught off guard. So I thought, you know what, we should all come in for some eggnog.
Beautiful out here, though.
And sit by the nice old-fashioned fireplace. Just enjoy some nice Christmas cheer.